Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. I hope everyone are doing well. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, you're welcome. I appreciate every one of you guys. I'm here to appreciate every one of you. Thank you so much for the birthday wishes. Thank you so much for the love, the messages, the gifts, everything. Yes, I'm so happy. I'm so grateful. I appreciate every one of you. Thank you so much. The love was massive. You guys are amazing. Oh, all right, guys. I'm here today to uh, unbox some of the gifts I received on my birthday. Yes, I'm just want to share it to you guys. You guys are my friends. You guys are my family. I just want to share what I got for my birthday. Little stuff I got for my birthday. I'm happy. I'm grateful, guys. Okay, right. Number one would be this box. Okay, this box. Okay, there's more. This cookie, I got this cookie from a neighbor. Like, we always meet at the bus stop. Okay, kids go to the same school as my daughter, and she gave me this one and a little mini cupcake. I've already eaten the cupcake. Okay, this is what she gave to me. Cookies. Then okay, then I have this one. Guess who gave me this one? Abigail, my daughter. My 11 years old daughter gave me this one. It's a what's it called? Look at the name brand. Juicy Couture perfume. Juicy Couture perfume. That's what she gave to me from Abigail. I didn't expect this from her. Then this bag is for my sister-in-law. Okay, my sister-in-law gave me this one. Gummy bear. I love gummy bear. Then inside I have this check. Just this shirt. Thank you so much. Then inside I have this mini wallet. There's the wallet. There's the wallet. This one is from me. Okay, thank you so much. If you're watching this, thank you. Then this one is from my daughter Alessia. Okay, my 16 years old daughter. She gave me a bag of goodies. Yes, Sprite. Oh, my favorite candy. My favorite candy. This is my favorite candy. I can eat 6, 5, even 10 of this pack a day. This is my favorite candy. Oh, check this. The snack. It's a bag full of snacks and Snickers. What's it called? Candy, Snickers. I have a lot of things and a card. Aww. To mommy from Alessia. I've read it before, but for a wonderful mom. There are people in life who shine in ways that aren't intentional. It's just natural for them to love, encourage, and inspire. Happy birthday to the best mommy in the entire world. I love you so much, Mom. Thank you for everything you've done for me and my siblings. Have an amazing birthday, Alessia. Thank you. Look at her handwriting, it's so cute. Look, you can see the right top. So cute. body works. This one is for my husband. These are, oh, let's open this. And he still have more for me, but he didn't tell me. He said that it's going to be a big surprise for me. Came with this. Smells good. Wow, this is expensive. This is $45. This one is $17.99. This one is $15.95. Let me spray it. Smells amazing. Okay, let's put this on back. So one more bag. Okay guys, I have another bag. This one is for my son. Got me cookies. A little necklace. Oh, that's so sweet. Necklace and a wristwatch. Wow, wristwatch. And one workout pint. A shot. Wow, that's a lot of present for me. And this one is for my bestie, my friend, my sister from another mother. Yeah, she gave me this one. The dress is so pretty. I love it. I'm going to wear this to church. Okay, and I have another one. I'm so excited for that one. You guys want to see it? Yeah, baby. This is another one for my best friend. My best friend. We've known each other for the past 16 years. Yeah, 16 years we've been friends. Yeah. Look at this. Guys, look at this beauty. Just take a look at this beauty. This is amazing. Designer bag. She bought me a designer bag. You don't want to know the price. I'll show it to you guys. Look at you guys. Help me to say a thank you words to her. Pray for her for me. Yeah. If you know, you know. Look at it right here. This is the inside. Come with a strap, like if you want to extend the handle. Oh, this is the bag. It's amazing. Here's the bag. This bag. So cute. when I saw it, I was like, oh, I was like, you don't have to, this is too much. You don't have to. She's like, oh, you are my sister. You're not just a friend, you are my sister. Yeah. Yeah, I love this bag. Thank you so much, Amma. I appreciate this. I appreciate from the bottom of my heart. Okay, alright guys, that's it for today. Show you guys my mini birthday haul. I can't wait to rock this bag. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like and share the video. I appreciate every one of you for the birthday wishes, for the love and support. Continue to support your girl, okay? Continue to watch my video and also share out my video. Your love, your share, your watching means a lot. Thank you guys. Bye. See you all in my next one. Bye guys. These are all my birthday goodies.